You might not realize it, but choosing the right port can truly enhance your cruise, especially for a seasoned traveler looking for comfort, convenience, and adventure. The departure port you select can make your trip smoother, more affordable, and simply more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the 5 most popular cruise ports in the U.S. for senior travelers, exploring what makes each uniquely appealing. Stick around, because later I'll share which U.S. port gives you a breathtaking sail away past one of America's most iconic landmarks. There's guaranteed goosebumps. Plus, I'll also highlight a port where you can embark on a Caribbean ocean cruise or a historic river cruise, all from the same city. Curious? Keep watching. Let's sail. Number 1, Port Miami, Florida, the cruise capital of the world. Why it matters. Port Miami isn't just busy, it's the busiest cruise port on Earth, serving over 8 million passengers in 2024 alone. That translates into unbeatable variety. Nearly every major cruise line departs from here. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, Disney, Celebrity, and Virgin Voyages, you name it. Senior-friendly benefits. Miami has invested heavily in modern terminals, including MSC Cruises' state-of-the-art facility, the world's largest cruise terminal, designed for ease and efficiency. Priority boarding, wheelchair assistance, and well-trained staff make it exceptionally senior-friendly. Exploring Miami. Arriving early? Wow! Experience vibrant little Havana. Stroll South Beach's Art Deco district, or enjoy museums like Perez Art Museum. And Miami also offers convenient connections to Orlando theme parks via the new Brightline high-speed train. Perfect for an extended vacation. Destinations galore. From Miami, the Caribbean is your oyster. Whether you prefer the Eastern, the Western, or the Panama Canal, or even transatlantic journeys, Miami has you covered. Terminals are spacious. Don't hesitate to request assistance if mobility is a concern. Arriving a day early to soak in sunny Florida is always recommended.
Number 2 on our list coming up next, but first make sure you stick around to the end. Max will tell you how you can win a guaranteed prize just by answering a question.
Number 2, Port Canaveral, Orlando. Family-friendly and easy access. Why does it matter? Just east of Orlando, Port Canaveral is now the 2nd busiest port globally, ideal for seniors traveling with family or grandkids. It offers exceptional convenience and a relaxed vibe compared to busier ports. Disney and beyond. Home to Disney Cruise Line, the terminal features theming and efficiency. Royal Caribbean and Carnival also have some of their newest ships here, offering spacious parking and even rocket launch views from nearby Cape Canaveral. Nearby attractions. Easily pair your cruise with Orlando's theme parks, the Kennedy Space Center, or Cocoa Beach's laid-back charm. It's a destination that complements your cruise perfectly. Ease of use. Less crowded than Miami, Port Canaveral boasts friendly staff, straightforward embarkation, and plenty of nearby hotels, restaurants, and even campgrounds for RV travelers. Here's a tip. Combine your cruise with a theme park visit to complete and create an unforgettable family memory. Number 3, Seattle, Washington, the gateway to Alaska. We're gonna go north. Why it matters? Seattle is the premier gateway for Alaska cruises, a bucket list destination for many seniors. Known as the best home port for Alaska cruises, it offers exceptional convenience and beautiful surroundings. Cruise convenience. Seattle's two main cruise terminals, Pier 66 and 91, are conveniently located near the downtown core, making pre- and post-cruise stays delightful and easy. Dedicated shuttles and porters streamline your boarding experience. Alaska Adventures. Major lines such as Holland America, Princess, Norwegian, Royal Caribbean offers comfortable 7-night round-trip cruises to Alaska's breathtaking inside passions, stopping at Juneau, Skagway, and Ketchikan. City highlights. Enjoy iconic landmarks like the Space Needle, bustling Pike Place Market, and serene ferry rides in Puget Sound. The mild summer climate offers relief from hotter regions. And the insider convenience. Seattle offers luggage transfer service from select hotels to your ship, freeing you up to sightsee comfortably until boarding time. Extend your stay to fully enjoy Seattle's vibrant cityscape and natural beauty. And number 4, New York City and New Jersey. Iconic views and diverse destinations. Why it matters. Departing from New York Harbor, including Manhattan, Brooklyn, or Bayonne, New Jersey, offers unparalleled drama and beauty. Sail past the Statue of Liberty and the breathtaking Manhattan skyline, an experience you'll never forget. There's multiple terminals. Manhattan has one on the west side, and there's Brooklyn's Red Hook. Bayonne, New Jersey's Cape Liberty terminals each provide easy access. Manhattan and Brooklyn offer prime city exploration, while Bayonne provides convenient parking and accessibility for out-of-town travelers. Diverse purchase. From here, you can easily set sail to Bermuda, the Caribbean, New England, Canada, or even transatlantic voyages. Popular itineraries include scenic fall foliage cruises and Bermuda vacations with extended island stays. Pre-cruise fun. Enjoy Broadway shows, world-class museum, vibrant Times Square, and iconic Central Park. Accessible facilities and assistance are readily available at each terminal. Prepare for variable weather by packing layers, especially for spring and autumn departures. And number 5, New Orleans, Louisiana. Unique ocean and river cruise hub. Why it matters. New Orleans uniquely offers both ocean and Mississippi River cruises. This twofer home port provides an incredible range of experiences from one culturally-rich city. River and ocean cruising. Choose from leisurely river voyages aboard paddle wheel ships exploring America's heartland, or ocean cruises with Carnival, Norwegian to the Caribbean destinations. Exploring the Bay's easy. Arrive early to experience New Orleans' rich culture. Stroll the French Quarter, savor jazz music, indulge in Cajun and Creole cuisine, or ride historic streetcars. The city is highly walkable with plenty of senior-friendly activities. Scenic departures. Sailing from New Orleans includes an unforgettable 7 to 8 hour journey down the scenic Mississippi River before reaching open ocean waters. A rare treat and perfect start to your cruise. Destinations. Cruises typically head to the Western Caribbean hotspots like Cozumel, Belize, honorable mentions. While not in our top 5, Galveston, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland offer exceptional convenience and delightful itineraries, particularly for travelers nearby. Before you sail, remember, arrive early. Get to your port city at least one day ahead to minimize stress and maximize enjoyment. Consider port tours. Cities like Miami and Seattle offer convenient sightseeing tours pre and post cruise. Of course, accessibility. Ports provide extensive services from wheelchair escorts to accessible parking. Simply request assistance when booking. Extend the fun. View your departure port as a bonus vacation spot. Enjoy city attractions and local culture before you even set foot on board. And the port with the iconic landmark sailing away, that's New York City. Sailing past the Statue of Liberty is nothing short of magical. Before we wrap, Max insists on sharing his favorite tip. Max's Port Pro Tip.
If you ever sail from New Orleans, make sure to seek out a bowl of gumbo before you go. This dog declares it the best pre-cruise meal. And Ken, next time, maybe sneak me in your carry-on. I could use a vacation too. Also, while I have your attention, you see that rather fetching QR code on your screen? Just give it a quick scan with your phone. It'll take you straight to our delightful Where To Next survey. Spend just 2 minutes telling us about your dream trip, your personal travel style, and your favorite destinations. And my human assistant, Ken, an excellent ear scratcher by the way, will personally craft a custom travel recommendation just for you. Oh, and did I mention, completing the survey could even win you a free vacation. Honestly, it's quicker and easier than fetching a stick and far more rewarding. Give it a go. Oh, and if you want something special, separate from perhaps getting the free trip by filling out the survey, if you know where this place is in the world, go to www.travelbyken.com. Fill out the form and you could win an incredible personalized gift from Ken himself. We announce winners soon, so fill it out and let's play.
Well said, Max. Service dogs do cruise too, after all. Cruising the right cruise port truly enhances your travel experience. Even if you are a solo traveler, there are a lot of options available. The fee structure available makes up for a lack of a second person. Let me know if you're interested. I would be happy to help. Call me, 689-229-9724. As seniors, we treasure the journey as much as the destination, and these ports are your getaway to incredible adventures. Until next time, happy cruising. I'm here when you gotta get away. Bon voyage, everyone.